Can you blow glass at New York's Corning Museum? Are you curious about whether you can blow glass at the Corning Museum of Glass in New York? Well, you are in for a treat. The Corning Museum of Glass offers an exciting opportunity for visitors to get hands-on with glassblowing. This experience is perfect for anyone, regardless of age or skill level. At the museum, you can work directly with professional glassmakers to create your very own glass pieces. Imagine shaping molten glass gathered from a furnace, adding vibrant colors, and using traditional glassmaking tools to sculpt items like vases, bowls, cups, and even glass flowers. It is a fantastic way to engage with this ancient craft. Safety is a top priority at the Corning Museum. They provide all the necessary safety equipment and guidance throughout the process, making it accessible even for younger participants. You can choose from various programs, including hour-long in-depth glassblowing sessions, where you will be involved in every step of the process. There are also shorter demonstrations and workshops available if you prefer a quicker experience. After you craft your glass masterpiece, it will undergo a slow cooling process. You can pick up your creation the next day, or if you prefer, they can ship it to you within the United States and Canada. This means you can take home a unique piece of art that you made yourself. In addition to the hands-on experiences, the museum hosts live glassblowing demonstrations daily. Here, you can watch master glassmakers skillfully blow and shape molten glass at temperatures around 2,100 degrees Fahrenheit. It is mesmerizing to see how they transform raw materials into stunning art pieces right before your eyes. For those who want to see glassmaking beyond the museum, the Corning Museum also operates a mobile hot shop. This brings live glassmaking demonstrations to events and locations outside the museum, allowing even more people to experience this art form. The Corning Museum of Glass is a unique destination in New York State, especially in the Finger Lakes region. Whether you are observing or actively participating, the Corning Museum of Glass offers an educational and memorable experience for individuals and families alike. So, yes, you can absolutely blow glass at New York's Corning Museum, and it is an adventure you won't want to miss.